Megan Swim here, and day 2 in Orlando. I am currently sitting out by the pool at the hotel that I'm staying at, and the event starts this evening, but I thought I would just get a little bit of R&R before I head on over to the SeaWorld Renaissance Hotel and get registered for the event. And as I'm sitting here, I'm reading the book How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, and this is the first time that I've actually taken the time to read the book, and I thought today I would share with you the fundamental techniques in handling people. And this is basically part 1 of the book. And so the first step is or the first principle, I guess, is don't criticize, condemn, or complain. The principle number 2 is to give honest and sincere appreciation. And so often you hear, people offering constructive criticism or offering their semi-negative or negative feedback and views on certain things. And this is showing you that rather than doing that, don't criticize, but offer your appreciation. And this principle number 3 is to arouse in the other person an eager want. So with that, referring to in a respect of, having them do something that you want or having them perform something that you want, by making it something that they want rather than something that you're asking of them, it gives them the eagerness to actually want to perform that task. Just wanted to share those thoughts with you today, this afternoon, as I'm laying out by the pool, and I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day.